test if black pepper powder is real, you can use simple water tests to check for common adulterants like sawdust or papaya seed powder. For peppercorns, visual inspections and a crush test can reveal if they are mixed with lighter, fake berries. For black pepper powder water float test for sawdust, add a teaspoon of the black pepper powder to a glass of water. Stir the mixture and wait for it to settle. Reel. The pure black pepper will sink and settle at the bottom of the glass because it is denser than water. Fake. If you see any sawdust bran, it will float on the surface of the water, as it is much lighter than pure pepper. Taste and texture test for fillers. Put a pinch of the powder on your tongue. Reel. Pure black pepper has a fine, consistent texture and a distinctive pungent, spicy taste. Fake. If it feels gritty or has an inconsistent texture, it may be mixed with cheaper fillers like starch or cornmeal. The flavor will also be less intense. For whole black peppercorns water float test for papaya seeds, add a few peppercorns to a glass of water. Reel. Genuine black peppercorns will sink to the bottom. Fake. Adulterated black pepper contains lighter papaya seeds, which will float on the water's surface. Visual inspection. Spread the peppercorns on a white sheet of paper to examine them closely. Reel. Pure black peppercorns are round with a wrinkled surface and are dark brown or black. Fake. Papaya seeds are oval-shaped, smoother, and may appear greenish brown or blackish brown. They can be easily spotted among the genuine peppercorns. Crush test for light berries. Take a few peppercorns and press them firmly with your finger or thumb. Reel. Mature, unadulterated peppercorns are hard and do not break easily. Fake. If the pepper has been adulterated with lighter, immature berries, they will crush easily under pressure. Mineral oil film test. Add a few peppercorns to a glass of water and stir. Reel. Pure pepper will not leave any oily residue. Fake. An oily film or small droplets on the water's surface indicates that the peppercorns were coated with mineral oil to make them appear shiny. Black pepper powder offers numerous health benefits, with its potent compound piperine being responsible for many of its therapeutic properties. Scientific studies suggest these benefits range from enhancing nutrient absorption to fighting inflammation and supporting brain function. Boosts nutrient absorption. One of black pepper's most significant benefits is its ability to increase the bioavailability of nutrients. Enhances curcumin. Piperine significantly improves the absorption of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, making it more effective. One study showed that combining piperine with curcumin increased absorption by up to 0.00%. Increases other compounds. It also boosts the uptake of essential nutrients and beneficial compounds, such as beta-carotene, selenium, and certain B vitamins. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents in black pepper can help protect your body at a cellular level. Fights free radicals. Piperine acts as a powerful antioxidant, combating unstable molecules called free radicals that can cause cellular damage. Reduces inflammation. Studies on animals have shown that piperine can effectively fight chronic inflammation, which is linked to conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes. Supports digestive health. Black pepper aids digestion in several ways, helping to alleviate common gastrointestinal issues. Stimulates enzymes. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes in the pancreas and intestines, allowing food to be broken down more efficiently. Improves stomach acid. It promotes the secretion of hydrochloric acid in the stomach, which is vital for proper digestion. Relieves common issues. It can help reduce bloating, gas, and discomfort. In some cases, it may also help manage constipation or diarrhea. Potential anti-cancer effects. Early research, mostly in laboratories, suggests that the piperine in black pepper may have cancer-fighting properties. Inhibits cancer cells. Test tube studies show that piperine can slow the replication of certain cancer cells, including breast, prostate, and colon cancers, and can even cause cancer cell death. Reverses drug resistance. It shows promise in reversing multidrug resistance in cancer cells, a condition that can make chemotherapy less effective. However, human trials are needed to confirm these findings. Benefits brain function. Piperine may offer neuroprotective benefits and support cognitive health. Protects brain cells. Animal studies indicate that piperine can improve memory, decrease inflammation, and protect against cellular damage in the brain. Reduces degenerative risk. Research suggests that piperine may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by reducing amyloid plaques and protecting nerve fibers. May help control blood sugar. Black pepper may help with blood sugar regulation, a benefit that warrants further research in humans. Improves insulin sensitivity. Some studies show that piperine can improve insulin sensitivity, which helps the body use insulin more effectively to manage blood sugar levels. Pairs with other supplements. This effect can be more pronounced when black pepper is combined with other compounds, such as curcumin. Enhances weight management by boosting metabolic rate and improving digestion. Black pepper may also support weight loss efforts. Increases metabolism. Piperine promotes thermogenesis, which increases calorie burning. Inhibits fat cells. Some research indicates that piperine can inhibit the formation of new fat cells.